Ekiganiro kitakabireho omuleberezi wa Nkole wa Katano, the Right Reverend Dr. Fred Sheldon Mwesigwa yabanza okwebemberamu okushaba ebyona byaba at St. James Cathedral omurharo orembo Mbarara.
May God bless you to be strong and courageous. There is a prayer in the command worship which says, make use of the resources of the school to the best of your ability. Make use of everything in the school. Library, read the books.
Aba nabeegi basini yokubanza neya Katano awishomero ya Mbarara High aho murembo rwa Mbarara.
If you don't know where you are going, any road can lead you there. You write it somewhere. If you have where to write. If you don't know where you are going, any road can lead you there.
Omuleberezi wa Nkole nagira ngu abeegi aba bino kunja kusema mukamaranga abokuba bari omwishomero.
All that we have been talking about here is choose where you want to be and where you want to go. That's why they mentioned dining, classroom, dormitory as very key and critical.
So, means something is hard but reliable to break easily. Hard but reliable to break easily. So vacancies, my Lord the Bishop in Mbarara School now, they are hard. But when you get it, you have to guard it safely. So senior ones as you enter Mbarara School, senior 5 as you enter Mbarara School, these vacancies that you are sitting in, they are brittle.
Of senior ones who are here, you are just blessed to be here. In fact,
Ebine kwetantara ebin nabyo yanjera okubigambaho.
Alcohol, smoking, and all those kind. There are so many. Escaping from school, you have no face. The only thing you have is the Holy Spirit of God to guide you.
Bwanyuma kushaba abanyamyoga abarukwebembera mu by'obwegisi abazire nabamwe bashomesa nabo hinentana ibakomera abeegi aba.
But you have a purpose. It's not that when you get on there, you're going to die. You can still live with them. It's okay. But I'm only asking, do you have a choice? There's an opportunity cost. You can let go of other things and focus on what brought you here.
Leave anything outside. You are trained and formed into a complete person that once given an opportunity and you go out as a focused student, you can never remain the same.
Here, God will give you what you want out of here and will expect good results and outcomes at the end of it all. God bless you.
it is super grade 1. Because as you are 460, if you all attained grade 1 at the end of senior 4, you would leave us with the trouble of looking for your places here at A level. But surely, you need to have a super grade 1, not just a grade 1.
Our TV West, Disenyomo Gideon, Mbarara.